speed, agility, explosiveness. Hey everyone, just sitting in my car. Beautiful winter morning here. I just got finished a long run, so I'm feeling a little bit tired right now, a little bit thirsty, but I turned on the car and this great song was on the radio, Fiesta. So I'm kind of feeling pretty good. I got my jump rope in the car. I often travel with a jump rope with me. So I'm just pulled into this empty parking lot and I'm gonna do some jump rope. The power of music to uplift your spirit. I was feeling a little bit tired after the long run I did, and I was planning on driving home, but I heard that song, and all of a sudden my mood changed a little bit. I was feeling pretty good anyways after exercise, but I kind of just felt like resting. But when I heard that song, I said, no, I got to go out and do a little bit more activity, and I usually have a jump rope or two in the back of my Jeep, so I just drove to a quiet parking lot and started jumping rope. That song actually was featured on a Mayweather behind-the-scenes show for, I think it was HBO 24/7 for one of his fights. So when I heard that song, I could just picture him in that video running along the street in Las Vegas. So I heard that song, I thought about that image, that video that I saw, and then I just wanted to jump rope. So that's what I did. I warmed up with a bunch of side swings just to warm up my arms, because my legs were already plenty warm from running hills and doing a lot of road work. So then I pulled into the parking lot here, and I basically just did boxer skips, which you're seeing right now. I'm shifting my body weight from one leg to another, and then I went into some more explosive training. Specifically, I did 2 double unders in a row. So you jump once, spin the rope twice, and then I went into an explosive triple under. So I did the boxer skip for a little bit, and then I went into double, double, triple. Great for agility, great for explosiveness. So you might notice when I'm doing the double unders, I'm not spinning the rope particularly fast. But then when I do the triple under, I really explode into it and I spin the rope 3 times very quickly. So this is just a fantastic way to kind of get a little bit more exercise in after the long run I did, but also just to kind of relax the body a little bit. The boxer skip is a nice way to kind of just relax the legs, and the triple unders were a great way to get a nice workout in for the upper body, for my arms, and for the wrists. So even though this was a cold winter morning, it's amazing. Once you start exercising, you don't even feel the cold. So as you can see there, I have my jacket on the mirror of my car, just resting there and getting a great workout in, and the sun was actually shining quite a lot on the left side of my body. So even though it's wintertime, I tend to exercise in shorts because, one, it feels nice. I like the cold sensation on my legs, and after a little while you don't even feel the cold, and 2, you get a lot of vitamin D, a lot of sun exposure if the sun is shining. So a great way to get some vitamin D even during wintertime. And that my Jeep there, that's actually 17 years old, but like our bodies, if we maintain them, if we look after our health, if we exercise, we can help prolong our quality and hopefully lifespan as well. Just like a car, if you maintain it, it can stay running quite well. And that car has 170,000 kilometers on it, but fantastic. I love it, that Jeep. So the boxer skip, I've made some tutorial videos on various boxer skips, and I highly recommend taking a look at those. And I've also made some tutorial videos on double unders as well as the triple under. The triple under, it's a fantastic move. I love the sound that the rope makes when you do a triple under. You can just hear it cutting through the air 3 times. So the sound of it is really cool, and it also looks really cool. And if you watch that triple under tutorial video and you practice a lot, one thing you will notice, especially with triple unders compared to double unders, is the importance of timing. If your timing is very good, you can do a triple under even from a complete standstill. You don't even need to warm up, you can go straight into a triple under. The key is getting that timing and spinning the rope quickly 3 times. If you do a lot of double unders, you can almost condition yourself to only spinning the rope twice.